This customer is having a problem with rainwater entering into the house because the concrete is too flat and the drain is up too high and is not catching the rainwater fast enough. So our job is to correct this problem, as you will see later on in the video. We are also replacing the grass area in the driveway for two reasons. Number one, the customer is tired of managing the grass, and number two, dirt is entering into their drain and slowing it down. We use 4,000 psi fiber integrated concrete. Fiber integrated concrete is stronger than wire mesh. We make sure that all spaces are sealed to provide a waterproof seal between the concrete and the foundation wall. We broom finish our driveways for traction. We lowered the drain and shaped the concrete to increase the pitch, which will allow the new concrete to catch fast-moving rainwater. At Dependable Concrete, we enjoy what we do and take pride in our work.